Hello everyone, in this video we are going to go through HTML paragraphs. Let me create HTML document here. Let's name it index.html and then close it. Get the HTML5 structure. Just type in here HTML and select this second option. I'm gonna delete this stuff for now and hit save. I'm gonna add in here a paragraph with brackets, with angular brackets, and type in here P. It also needs the closing tag. Hit save. Now if you need some random text, you can, if you are using Visual Studio Code, you can type in here LO and get the Lorem Ipsum. Hit save and go to the browser. Let's load this page in the browser. If you're using a live server, let me keep these side by side. Alright, that looks better now. This is how our page looks, and now some extra information that you cannot be sure how HTML will be displayed. Large or small screens and resized windows will create different results. With HTML, you cannot change the display by adding extra spaces or extra lines in your HTML. The browser will automatically remove any extra spaces and lines when the page is displayed. Let's maximize it and give it some formatting. Let's add some space here. Okay, and some space here as well. Let's take this to the next line. Some space here as well. Some space, and let's take the rest to the new line and hit save. And see, we don't see any change in the web browser. Now let's discuss about the HR tag. Let's add, first we'll need to close this P tag. P. Hit save. And let's add paragraphs here. Delete this, go to the end of the line and paste it here, go to the beginning of this line, copy this P tag and paste it in here. Paste it in here as well. Hit save. Alright, now we see some changes here, and now let's add the HR tag. HR tag defines a thematic line break in an HTML page and is most often displayed as a horizontal line or horizontal rule. It's an empty tag, which means that it does not need an tag. Let's copy it and paste it here and here. Hit save. There you go. Now let's add another paragraph. Let me add HR here to separate our new paragraph, and type in here some lorem. Hit save. And now let's talk about adding a new line. Let's say if you want to add a new line after this word, you can add here BR tag, and it's also an empty tag which does not need end tag, and you see the difference here. Let me resize this by adding a style attribute. Style equals font size font dash size column large. Save. No, let's make it 30 pixels. Let's save. It looks better. And now you see after this line break, this word goes to next line. And if you want to add another line after this word, and type in here BR and hit save. Now it has shifted to the next line. Likewise, we can add new lines with this BR tag. Hit save. And let me add another HR tag here, and I'm gonna add another paragraph with Lorem, and I'm also gonna copy this style to this paragraph. Hit save. Now if I take this to other line, and from here I want to add another line, and from here I want to add another, and hit save, we don't see any change here in this text. And the solution to this problem is the pre-tag. Now let's change this tag to pre-tag, and it also needs the ending tag. Hit save. Now here you see the pre-formatted text. I can add a line here, I can add a line here, I can add, hit save, and you see all the spaces, blue lines, are preserved here with the help of this pre-tag. And this is short for pre-formatting. And that ends the video here. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.